Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful morning. As you can see, we're at a new location today. Going to be doing a little bit of a recce flight, really. And as you can see behind me, the Spinnaker Tower. One of my goals is to not fly up it or fly around it, just get some really good footage of this at night. So I'm going to have a little play around today as conditions are near on perfect. Not much wind, beautiful sunny, well, I'll say sunny, beautiful, clearish skies, and let's see if we can head near that. So without further ado, guys, let's get the drone up. Welcome back, everyone. Firstly, I just want to wish you all a very happy Christmas. I hope you all enjoy the festivities. Today we're at the Portsmouth Harbour. I'm very lucky to live in this part of the world. Portsmouth is on the south coast of England and it's opposite the Isle of Wight. In today's video, you can see some beautiful views of Portsmouth Harbour, the Spinnaker Tower, Gunwharf Quays shopping centre and the Royal Navy's 2 aircraft carriers. There's plenty of practice today. It's a little cold and my hands are definitely feeling it. I very much look forward to flying here in the warmer summer months. This is going to be a great spot for a night flight, especially when the Spinnaker Tower is lit up in bright colours like a Christmas tree, so be sure to look forward to that. Enjoy the views. As always, I very much appreciate you watching. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and do drop a comment down below. I wish everybody a very happy new year. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all at the next video. there we go, guys. A nice successful flight today on the pier. I was actually quite pleased with this spot. When the conditions are calm, it's actually quite a nice spot to fly from. Happy with the range, happy with the conditions. So I think builds up a little bit of confidence to come down here maybe one evening when it's dark, because the Spinnaker Tower, that sucker there, lights up like a Christmas tree, and it looks pretty cool in the dark. And it'd be pretty nice to see what Gosport and Portsmouth look like at night. So yeah, if you want to look forward to that one, be sure to subscribe, and that might be the next video. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. It's been fun making the last couple of videos, so I hope you've enjoyed. I've enjoyed making them, and till next time, I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.